If you have ever stood at a baggage carousel praying that your suitcase didn't split open somewhere between Dallas and Dubai, then baby, this video is for you. Because the truth is, not all luggage is created equal. Some suitcases look cute, but they can't survive a single layover. Some brag about lifetime warranties while silently cracking behind your back. And some, well, some are tough enough to handle that one baggage handler who clearly wakes up every morning and chooses violence no matter how many times he sees a fragile sticker on the luggage. So, today we are getting brutally honest about something travelers avoid talking about until it's too late. What makes a large checked suitcase worth your money in 2026? And which ones will absolutely embarrass you at baggage claim? Now, before we go down this rabbit hole, let me ask you something. Have you ever bought luggage based on the color, the vibe, or because TikTok told you it was aesthetic? And then the baggage handler tossed it once, just once, and it came out looking like it survived a street fight. Yeah, I've been there too, so I know, I feel you. But 2026 is going to be different. Airlines are squeezing passengers harder, weight limits are tighter, and baggage fees have gone up so much they should come with a warning label. That means the suitcase you choose matters more than ever before. I am going to walk you through what actually counts: durability, materials, wheels, security, repairability, and something most people never think about: the way your suitcase ages. I'm talking about travel tested insight, the kind of honesty only someone who's watched their luggage get thrown across an airport tarmac can give you. So, let's get right into it. When we talk about the best checked luggage in 2026, everybody wants to jump straight to brands. Should I buy the Away brand or not? Should it be Briggs and Riley, Samsonite, Monas? But here's the truth. They don't want to say out loud. The brand name doesn't matter if construction is trash. Materials matter more than marketing. If you travel even twice a year, you need something that can survive the impact, the pressure, being dragged, stacked, dropped, rolled, shoved, and occasionally stomped on by someone who is definitely overworked, underpaid, and not in the best mood on any given day. The top performers this year are all using a material called polycarbonate, and not the cheap blend either. I'm talking about an aerospace grade PC that flexes its muscles instead of cracks. When you see a suitcase bounce instead of split, that's polycarbonate doing its job. Aluminum suitcases look stunning, but let's be real. If you travel frequently, aluminum dents like a soda can. Once that corner bends, guess what? It's stuck that way forever. You can't get it back to its original, how it stayed originally. So unless you like your suitcase looking like it went through a demolition derby, polycarbonate is the move for most travelers. But let's talk about something that people never consider: the frame. Zippered luggage is more common. But while zippers are lighter, they're also your weakest link. A zipper can pop, break, or be sliced in 2 seconds. Framed luggage, though, with latch closures. They are heavier, yes, but almost impossible to burst open. If you're packing heavy or flying internationally, the frame construction gives you peace of mind that a zipper luggage will never give you. Now, the wheels, whew, trust me, nothing ruins a trip faster than a wobbly wheel. You know, the kind where one little pebble sends your suitcase into a cardiac arrest. If your bag doesn't have smooth 360-degree spinner wheels with sealed bearings, you're signing up for stress you don't need. The best 2026 brands have upgraded to aircraft grade wheels that glide like butter. You should be able to push that suitcase with one finger. If you can't, then by all means, put it back on that shelf. Handles matter too, more than you think. The best large check luggage of 2026 all have dual bar telescopic handles because single bar handles twist under pressure and make your suitcase wobble. If you've ever tried to sprint through an airport with bad wheels and a crooked handle, you already know your spirit left your body. Quality handles don't rattle, they don't jam, they don't stick, and they don't feel like they're going to snap when you're running late for a connecting flight. Now, let's talk about interior space because listen, airlines aren't playing with weight limits. Not anymore. With some carriers, 50 pounds feels more like 47 pounds, the way they're charging folks. So you need luggage that gives you every inch of usable room inside without weighing a ton on its own. The best bags this year are using featherlight shells but still managing to stay durable. That's what you want. Strength without unnecessary bulk. But here's something that nobody talks about, and I need you to listen carefully. Hear me clearly. Repairability. If your bag cracks, can you fix it? If your wheel breaks, can it be replaced? If the handle snaps, can the company send a specific part for you to replace? Because a warranty means nothing if it takes 6 months to get an answer. The best luggage brands understand travelers don't have time for all of that. They send parts fast. They let you repair instead of replace. And they stand behind their product without sending you on a customer service scavenger hunt. That's what I call it. Now, somewhere in this video, you might be wondering, okay, Cheryl, how do I even choose when every suitcase claims to be the best? And that's exactly why I wrote something special that goes deeper into the travel industry than any YouTube video can. If this video is helping you so far, please give it a like and share it with someone who's been struggling, I guess, with their luggage situation and maybe traveling soon. And if you want to go even deeper, you will love my ebook, The Ultimate Carry-On Travel Bundle with video guides. This book does not just talk about luggage. It exposes the hidden rules, the tricks, the loopholes, and the systems behind everything that airlines do, including why some bags survive and others don't. It will change the way that you pack, the way you fly, and the way you protect yourself as a traveler. The link will be in the description below. Go grab it. You'll thank me later. Now, let's bring this home. Choosing your luggage, or large checked luggage, I should say, in 2026 is not about fashion. It's not about trends or trying to match your suitcase to your airport outfit. It's about choosing something that respects your time, your money, your belongings, and your sanity. Whether you're traveling for work, vacation, family, emergencies, or that trip you've been dreaming about for years on your bucket list, your luggage should make your life easier. It should not add any stress. So before your next trip, test the suitcase that you already have. Shake it, roll it, push it, pull it, tap the corners, try zippers, extend the handle all the way. Does it feel solid? Does it glide smoothly? Does it feel like it has your back? You will know when it's the right one. Trust your hands more than the marketing that companies show to you just to get you to buy. Oh, and in case you didn't know, I have a YouTube shopping area below where I list my favorite checked luggages that are airline approved. Go check them out below the video. It will help to support the channel, and I thank you in advance for doing so. And before you go, please remember, go grab my ebook, The Ultimate Carry-On Travel Bundle with video guides. I'll walk you through everything. And I also offer you a free guide called Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. Don't walk into another airport without these two. They will save you time, money, and headaches and stress you didn't even know were coming. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video coming up in this mini series. And it's titled New Carry-On Rules for 2026 and What Airlines Aren't Telling You. That video is going to change how you pack forever. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video. And remember, I got you.